Si Doktora ay kilala ko na yan mula pa nung college day namin. Lagi kami magkasama. At siya ay sexy siya noon, mahaba ang buhok. At mabait, malalahanin. At very religious siya.
Happy birthday, Mama Dors from El Hagibis!
Happy birthday, Mama Doors from CFC Ladies! Happy birthday, Mama Doors from CFC Ladies!
Sumang-ayon ka lamang, kasama ka tumanda. La la la.
Mama Dors, 70 ka na. Happy birthday. Alam mo, for all these years, you have been my partner. You are my strength and my greatest blessings. You have shared a lifetime of memories from our younger days until today. And though every joy and challenge, your love has never wavered.
Happy birthday, Mama Dors. 70 years old ka na. Magpalakas ka pa at gumaling sa iyong karamdaman. Patuloy kang bigyan ni Lord ng mga blessings at lagi kang masaya at maraming taon ang mabubuhay siya. Parating na po ang manugang at apo. Thank you po. Happy birthday. God bless po always. Love you.
Mama po, happy birthday po. Sana po'y alagaan nyo ang kalusugan at saka ang buhay nyo po. Sana po'y magkaroon po kayo ng lakas ng loob para maging matatag po kayo. We love you po.
So, my greetings and our wish, Doktora, is that you will be able to really celebrate the fullness of life which the Lord continues to bestow upon you, to Dr. Claro and to your lovely kids, Grace and Clark. So we are here to celebrate in Thanksgiving with such joy and oneness with you this special day. So may the Lord continue to bless you po with good health and complete healing so that the Lord will continue to use you as a channel of His graciousness and blessing.
Happy birthday, Mama Doors. Mahal na mahal ka namin at enjoy mo itong araw na to kasi you deserve it. Salamat sa lahat ng bigay ng Panginoon sa iyo, lalo na yung buhay na ipinagkakaloob sa iyo. At yun yung dasal na gusto kong ibigay sa iyo. Sana'y patuloy kang pagpalain ng Panginoon, ang iyong pamilya, lalo na ang iyong kalusugan. Mahal na mahal kita ng aming pamilya. God bless you. I love you.
Life tested you in many ways, yet you continue to face each day with courage, faith, and grace. By God's grace, you remain strong and full of life, an inspiration to our family and to everyone who knows you. Thank you for the love you give, the sacrifices you made, and the life you built together. I am grateful for every moment we have shared and for every day God allows us to continue this journey side by side. Happy birthday, my love. You are deeply cherished today and forever.